Hey guys, welcome back to Minute Family Farm. We're going to do a little quick video here. I know it's been a while since we posted a full-length video. So I have an updated version coming, explaining everything that's going on, but first we're going to do a wing clipping of some chickens. This can pertain to geese, chickens, turkeys, ducks, basically anything waterfowl, poultry. So these little guys are now about a month old. These are the ones that we hatched, so there's 18 of them. They're starting to outgrow their little brooder here. And hi. This could get interesting. So there's an old shed that we have that I have them currently ready to go into. So now it's just a matter of trying to catch them and then clip their wings, which I'll show you, and then put them all in there. And then in a week, we have another batch of ducks and 7 more chicken eggs gonna hatch. So hopefully the ducks are fertilized, and we'll go from there. But let's see how well this goes. As you can see, they are fully feathered out. And what I will show you here is, see the difference in the wings? So this is hard to do with one person, but you got the difference right here between these longer feathers and these shorter ones. This is a division line between our primary and secondary flight feathers. So what you need to do is basically cut right along that. Where'd my scissors go? These are just poultry shears. So take them, pull their wing out and hold it. If you cut them too short, they'll start to bleed. So you want to go about right here. And only do it on one wing. It makes them so off balance that they can't fly. So now you have a full wing, and you got their clipped wing. Hi, you don't look happy. So we're gonna do that to all 18. I will spare you here. I might put you on time lapse. We'll go from there, and then I'll show you where they're all gonna end up. Hey guys, we made it in here. So I just transported them over in a little dog cage, and then this is I think like a 10 or 12 by 16 or something. Sweating a lot. It's like 82 degrees, but So just the old shed that was here when we bought the place. But we got plenty of straw, places to roost, and we'll have to figure out how to walk on the straw. But they're all doing healthy, and you got plenty of water and stuff, and it's the whole front's open, so it's about 10 degrees cooler, maybe 5. I don't know, I'm hot right now, so I can't tell the difference. But that's them. We got our little one in there that we call Harriet. She's over on the back left there. But she's doing good, the rest of them. And then once the ducks grow out, they'll catch up to these guys in size, and then we'll throw them in here too once they're out of the brooder. This entire week it's mid to high 80s. I think today it's 82. Next 2 days it's 86, and then it goes up to 89 in 3 days. So it's gonna be hot, but hopefully everybody's okay. Check on them, and then everybody is locked in, so there's no way to get out or anything like that. But yeah, and then once they're in here for a little while, we'll get a fence out. Or just let them roam the yard, not sure yet. But once they realize this is home, they'll be okay. Thanks for watching. And hit that like and subscribe button. We'll come out with an updated video here shortly. I'll get this one posted today. It is Saturday. And we'll go from there. And we'll have some more content for you guys. Thanks.